Hey guys, this is Jeffrey Ward, and I just got paid by Front2 again, and I want to show you that payment. First, let me go to my Front2 app. You need to download this app in order for this method to work. I literally got paid $20 in not even 2 minutes. I'll say 5 minutes or 2 to 5 minutes. It doesn't even matter. I requested a payout, transferred my points into PayPal Cash, the $20 PayPal Cash, and I got paid within 2 to 5 minutes. This is simple. I showed you guys in the last video where I got paid out $5. This one is a little bit bigger. Let me go to it right now. Wait for it to load up. And as you can see, the name of the company is Front2.co, but it has MBT America. I think that's their legal name. You can see some of the history. I got paid $1 from them, $2. Just got paid $20 from them. Today is February 7th, 3:40 p.m. This was paid out to me Central Times. It was 3:48 right now. Pretty simple. Let me go. You can see this is my face. You can see the balance. This is my face. My name is Jeffrey Ward. Y'all can see my face right there. This is the second time I've been paid from them. Of course, I have a whole bunch of other apps and a whole bunch of other stuff that you can check out. But this is just a simple way for you to earn money online. This is a simple PayPal hack, whatever you want to call it. Got paid $20 in under 5 minutes. It was really simple, really easy. I'm gonna show you what I did on the Front2 app. You can get paid out $1, $3. I did some smaller payments. I went in here, I entered in the code. Let me go to this. I'm gonna show you this, guys, one more time because I think you guys you really want to do this. It's simple and it's easy. I'm gonna give you a way that you can earn some free points as well. Come over here to the wheel. You download the app. The name of the app is Front2. So you just go to your Google Play Store. Let me just go pull up my Google Play Store. I'm gonna show you this, guys. It's pretty simple. Fronto. Front2 is going to be the first app you see. Front2 lock screen. You're going to see Front2 lock screen. There's some other ones down here. SlideJoy. I don't fool with them because they don't pay out as quick. SlideJoy takes a whole month for you to get paid, which is, I don't think it's cool. But Front2 lock screen, you're going to see it's the first one here. You click it. Obviously, I already have it. I need to update it, but download it onto your phone. Once you download the app, you're going to pull up Front2. The first thing you need to do, you're going to get 1,000 points just by having this app. I think you get 1,000 points up front. What you need to do, I'm going to give you another 1,000 points by just doing this. You come over here, you go to, do you have a promo code? You come over here, you click this, you type in free, FR, all caps. Matter of fact, let me go back so I can show you this. All caps, free money code. Go back. Can't type today. ODE. Free money code in all caps. Remember that free money code in all caps is going to give you 1,250 points. Okay? You can see it right here. Paste your friend's referral code and get 1,250 points. You're going to get 1,250 points added to your balance. Okay, so once you do that, you come over here and you use your money to bet your points. So let me see. I'm just gonna bet one right now, and now you gotta have 2,000 points. Since I just cashed out, I don't have 2,000 points, but you're gonna have 2,000 points because you have 1,000 points when you sign up, and then you're gonna have 1,250 points once you enter in the code, free money code. I'm gonna say that one more time. Write this down in all caps. FREEMONEY CODE in all caps. Free money code. You come to the wheel, you have a promo code, you enter in that promo code and you enter free money code. You're going to get 1,250 points. But this does pay. This is simple. This is probably one of the easiest things I've done online in a long time. They paid me $20. They've also, you can see my history down here, they've also paid me $1, $5, which I showed you guys the last time I did this video. It is so simple to make money with this. I got paid within 5 minutes. Simple. You just enter your PayPal information. They send it to you straight to your PayPal. It's going to say MBT America, but it's also going to you're going to see Front2.co, which is the name of the company that you're using. Front2 lock screen. On your lock screen is going to have little stuff that you can do. You can slide to get 20 points. You can install an app to get 350 points or 450 points. Let me go back over here. You can do this, more offers on here. You can go to your trial play offers. You can hit continue. You can do offers on here that can earn you more points. Let me just wait till it load up. You can do simple things up in here. Install swag bucks, mobile strike, simple. All this stuff is pretty simple, self-explanatory. You read the instructions and you earn the front two. Download apps through their app. It's simple stuff. You earn free points even when you just unlock your screen. It's just simple. I've earned a lot of points just by unlocking my screen. Once you turn it on, it's going to ask you to swipe left, get 20 points. Simple as that. 30 points, 40 points. Simple. Read articles for points. It is simple and easy to make money with the Front2 app. So that's it. Also, while I'm on this subject, I did a video about doing surveys online. I got paid $35 not too long ago. I've been doing it a little bit this week, and I'm also going to have a payment proof next week. Actually going into my PayPal, showing you guys that this is real, it's not fake. It's a good survey company. Follow 3 easy steps. You create a profile. You create your let me hit OK. You create your account. Excuse me. You create your profile, and then you you sign up for 3 survey panels, and you're allowed to start making money with Survey Club. I will leave a video link. I go more in depth into that video. I'm gonna leave a video link in the description box. That's self-explanatory as well. Just enter in your information, and it's going to get you set up with Survey Club. I earned $35 with them. I do a extra payment proof. They pay out every week. They don't pay as fast as Front2, but it's a simple way that you can earn some more money. I'll leave that link to that video below. But other than that, I didn't mean to make this video too long. I know it's already going on almost 8 minutes, but I'm just going to end this video right now. Simple way that you can earn money. Subscribe to my channel. You make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm be coming out with more and more information as the days and weeks go by. I do make money online. I have multiple businesses online. It's just one of the apps that I use to make money online, but there's so much more that you can learn, and I'm going to teach it to you on this channel. So subscribe. That's it. Peace out. I hope y'all have a nice day. Download that Front2 app and enter in the free money code when you hit your settings wheel right here. Enter it in, get your free points, and start making money with this app. I'll talk to you guys soon.